Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the on monitor black screen issue. The first fix is check the power source, ensure that the monitor is properly plugged into working power outlet. If you suspect the power outlet might be the issue, try plugging the monitor into the different outlet. The fix number 2 is check the cables, make sure that all the cables are securely connected to both the monitor and the device they are connected to. Inspect the cables for any visible damage such as breakage or bends and replace them if necessary. The fix number 3 is unplug and replug the monitor. Try unplugging and the monitor from the PC and wait for a few moments before plugging it back in. This can help to resolve the connectivity issues due to the faulty cables or the ports. The fix number 4 is adjust the monitor settings. Use the buttons on the monitor to adjust the brightness, contrast, or reset to the factory settings. Incorrectly set the modes can sometimes cause the screen to remain black. The fix number 5 is try a different cable. If the monitor is getting power but no image appears, try using a different cable to rule out the issues with the original ones. The fix number 6 is reboot the computer. Press and hold the power button until the computer turns off, then restart. The fix number 5 is contact the ONN Electronics Customer Service team. You can contact them through the toll-free number, or you can also call the customer service through this number. You can also send a mail to them and you can send a message to them. The backend technical team, they will get back to you and they will help you to resolve the issue. Okay. So this is how you can resolve the issue, fix on monitor black screen issue. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.